It's 3 a.m. Answer your phone. What's up? I'm going to show you how to play 3 a.m. on guitar. If you find this video helpful, like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Now let's get started. You're going to put your capo on the 5th fret and be in standard tuning for this song. And the chords you'll need are C, G, E minor, and D. So C is open 3-2, open 3-3. G is 3-2, open, open, 3-3. E minor, open, 2-2, open, 3-3. And D, open, 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 2-3-3. It's 3 a.m. Answer your phone. For the strumming pattern, I'm just going down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down. So slower, that's down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up, down. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up. And that little turnaround for the D, I always do that, but I guess you don't have to, but I think it sounds nice. So down, 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 up. So you just do a regular D. So it's not this one with 2 3rd frets here. Back and forth between the top strings here. It's the first part. And then the second part, pointer finger, 3rd fret B string. And your ring finger, 4th fret D string. So, right like that. Just slide that down, same shape, just so your pointer's on the 1st fret and your middle finger's on the 2nd fret. Right? And then just open. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you didn't quite pick it up the first time around, just replay the video. You'll get it.